We're right behind him and they're blasting right behind him. Go take a wider turn. Oh.
Got it?
Yeah.
Nope. Watch it. Watch it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Go ahead, man.
Oh, you're gonna throw something.
Wait, hold on.
What's he doing?
He's picking us a bird.
Is he still looking?
Yeah. Funk it.
He's putting it on quick.
Get him. Get him. Going that Randy.
He's got it in his hand. Look. He's got it in his hand.
I see him.
He's got it in his hand.
Yeah. He's gonna throw something much. Oh shit! Watch you, he's gonna throw it.
You got it?
Yep. He's gonna throw it.
You got it?
Yep.
Don't watch it. You gotta leave it on there.
Oh yeah.
No, you gotta watch it.
This is the first little horn. This is the big horn.